Hi, I'm going to show you how to connect to Rackham from Visual Studio Code. For that, we first will need to install an extension. So we go to the left, there's the word extension here. So we can make it a bit bigger there. Here we have extensions and we need to look for remote-ssh, which is a Microsoft extension. There it is. There we install it. I just clicked on install and now it's installed. And now at the left we have something new called the Remote Explorer. And there's not much yet, but we're going to add one now. So we click on SSH, there's the plus, adding a new remote. And it tells you what to do. It says do SSH and then how you log in. So for me it's SSH, Rachel, that's my app Rackham username, at rackham.upmax.uu.se. And of course, instead of reshell, you use your own username. When I press enter, it says, hey, where do you want me to store this? So I'm going to use the home folder of this user called Store Björn. And now this host is added. Let's take a look at the config just to see what it looks like. It looks like this, or this is my information. And now I can connect. So let's do that. Connecting current window or a new window, and now it's asking the password here. So now I have to type in my Upmax password. There, and now it's doing its magic. It says that the operating system of Rackham is not supported. Well, it's Windows, it's Linux, VSCode. Microsoft is known for Windows, so that's fine, we can ignore that. But then you say, hey, where are the files? Well, now I can go to the File Explorer. I can open a folder. And then you see I'm already, it's hard to see, but I'm already on Rackham here. Like if I click Show Local, then I go to my local folders. But now I am in Rackham. If I change this to /proy to see all the projects, it will take a look at what is in that proy folder. And here we see the project with the name, and here we see the other projects. But let's see, here we have the G. Here we have the nice projects, like the more general projects. But we have also like the SNCC projects and the Upmax projects. Alright, so this is so I'm going to use staff because I'm staff. So I'm just going to go there, and I have my own folder there. I'm going to open it, and now I can work from my local computer on stuff that I have on Rackham. Just to give an example, let's take some script here. Let's use this one. Whatever it does is not important, but I can edit it here and I can save it. And now on Rackham it is saved because I'm not working on my computer at all here. Yeah, sure, I'm running Visual Studio Code on my local computer, but these files are directly on Rackham. So you can also see here that I'm SSHing into rackham.upmax.uu.se. If I want to work on my local folders again, then I click on Explorer again, and I'm going to open a local project. Well, then I do just here file open folder, and then I'm going to show my local files, and now I am in my local folders. Alright, so this is how you can work on both at the same time, more or less. That concludes this video. How to connect Visual Studio Code to Rackham. I wish you a very good day. Bye.